don't store the repeated value, so we can save the extra space. Again we have name here Raj, so Raj is repeating thrice, we will show only single value. Okay, so we can avoid this extra space like this one. So in this what happens, suppose in the real time I have some 3 lakhs records, and the 3 lakhs records in which 30,000 times the name repeating Raj, but here in this scenario we are not storing all the Raj, we are storing only single Raj which occupies just 3 bytes. So we can avoid around 89,997 bytes we can avoid. So think of in the end of how much we can avoid.
Sorry to interrupt. Like, what do you mean by the column storage? Is it like a table with the ID and quantity
Yeah,
and all?
no, column storage nothing but it will store as a same row. Column storage means what all the column are be one row, like this one, C01, C02, and C03, like this will store. Okay, because these three are different. No? It occupies 4 bytes, 4 bytes, 4 bytes. Then we have here plastic, then silver, then again plastic. So instead of this plastic, it will not occupy the space. It will occupy the reference of this file, because this value is same now. So it will
Okay.
occupy the reference of this file. Same thing like so. We have 1 kg which occupies 3 bytes. Again we have 2 kgs. Each also occupies 3 bytes. Again 2 kgs. So instead of occupying this 2 kgs, like this 3 kgs, 3 bytes, it occupies the reference of this one, which occupies just a 1 byte. So the it seems. Again we have Raj, then Raj, then Raj. So here what happened? This Raj occupies 3 bytes, but this two occupy only 1 byte, because it will store the reference of this value. Nice and store.
Okay.
So we can avoid much more space.
Okay.
So these are things we have. So any queries on this particular screen? Clear, right?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Then we go for HANA means what? Now we go for SAP HANA. So HANA is high performance analytical appliance. Okay, high performance analytical appliance. It's also called as in-memory DB concept. Why? Because the record will be stored in the RAM. That's why it's called as in-memory. And in this HANA, we have only 3 concepts: HANA Studio, HANA Client, HANA Server. This Studio is acting as a GUI, as you know, because in SAP screens we have different T codes. Here there is no such T codes are existing. We have only HANA Studio, which we can do all the activities on the system. The HANA Server is installed in the Linux environment, and this supports only 60 Linux till now. Installed in the RAM. In market we have 1 TB to 4 TB RAM in market. Based on the client requirement, you can purchase 1 TB or 4 TB. So this is a software we have to purchase from SAP vendor. Studio and a client, we can install any OS. We support any OS. We can connect the Studio to client with the ODBC drivers or JDBC drivers. We can connect the Studio to client. Now entire HANA system is ready. So as a developer, we work on HANA Studio. It will reflect the DB in the server system. And in this scenario, we work like we have something called modeler. We can learn about the extraction or call as migration. You can learn the security part and the admin part. 1 second. Hello? Yeah, so here we do have here. So in modeling, you can learn about the schema creations, table creation in database, then how to load the data, as well as view concept, attribute view concept, article view concept, calculation view concept, then write a procedure, sequence, triggers, names. Then we have decision table. Okay, and this is all covered in the modeling part. And we have in the extraction like how to do the migration from SQL to HANA, SAP ECS to HANA, SAP BW to HANA, and the different flat file to HANA. Okay, and it will be done with two ways. One is direct extraction. One is like direct extraction. We can take the help of SLT option or RFC option or as DXC. If you take indirect extraction, it will with the help of the BODs. BODs. Nice one here. In security, we can learn about the user creations, role creations, as well as the different types of rights, assignment of rights, all the stuff. In admin, we can take the backup creations, like what is the backup, how to take a backup, because 4TB is not in real time. Then transport management, all the stuff. So the things you can cover in this stuff. Besides this, we have how to create the reporting also on HANA DB as well as table creations. So clear? Hello, Suma?
Hello.
Yeah. So do you have any queries?
So I know there are two types of HANA. I just had gone through a overview of HANA. So there is like a standalone HANA and ABAP HANA
Mm-hmm.
right now, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So would you be telling anything about ABAP HANA?
Yes, of course. No, ABAP HANA also we can see. The thing is that ABAP HANA is there, but thing is that we need to cover the ABAP. So we start the standard one HANA, then we also go with the ABAP HANA, the brief introduction, because ABAP HANA is not till now is not implemented, but we got a features of this stuff. We can learn how to what the ABAP scenarios you can use in HANA, how it look like. If you write ABAP code, how it will be executed in the SAP HANA system. But also you can learn. No issues.
Okay, because I see some requirements, which need ABAP HANA. Um,
Okay, fine.
so that
ABAP HANA, nothing but see, we need to do this migration part now. So we are pulling data
okay.
from ECC to SAP HANA system. In such
Oh,
scenario,
okay.
we this ABAP HANA. So we write some codes in like we create some functional modules on this stuff. So
Okay.
that in such scenario we use this ABAP HANA. We will see in this we have this software migration product. Right? In SLT, in RFC, we can learn how to migrate the SAP ABAP to HANA, like ECS to HANA.
Oh, so which all type of migration you will be teaching? SLT and?
All SLT, RFC connection, DXC,
Mm-hmm.
as well as BODS also.
Okay.
So these are all we can
Okay.
gonna cover.
Okay.
Right?
Uh, let uh, let you know by tomorrow. Uh, yeah. Uh,
Fine then, no issues.
yeah.